12 in just 2 days. That's how many people in Cuyahoga County died of overdoses Thursday through Sunday. And tonight we have a warning from the county's medical examiner. He says that number is an alarming cluster. He wants anyone who uses drugs to be extra vigilant until they can figure out what's behind the spike. News 5's Jesse Schultz spoke with health officials who say this isn't just a drug user problem.
They say it is a community problem, and the Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner says if we continue on this track, we could see 700 overdose deaths in 2021 in Cuyahoga County alone. And he's hopeful that getting the word out will help curb the number of deaths we see in the next few months. Willoughby Hills native Kathy Lawley has waged her own war on drugs for nearly 2 years now.
So my son, Michael Justin Biello, he was 31 when he died on March 23rd, 2020. It was literally the day that Ohio was going to close down.
Her son struggled with a drug problem on and off, but she says he did not die of a heroin overdose. He died of fentanyl poisoning.
Michael died of pure carfentanil and fentanyl. There was nothing else in his system.
She says it's important people understand deaths are not just happening among drug users now.
Even those that are using drugs recreationally, whether it's cocaine, whether it's ecstasy, whether it is heroin, or anything you can think of, they get a pill that looks just like it, and it's not. It's a pressed pill, we call them.
While the Cuyahoga County Medical Examiner is expediting forensic testing to determine what caused the recent spike, he's urging people to seek help that comes in the form of Metro Health's Office of Opioid Safety, Project Dawn.
We are seeing a lot of people asking for the naloxone and the Narcan. We know that people are using it. We know that it is working.
Project Dawn has sites throughout the county that provide free naloxone and fentanyl testing kits to anyone who wants them. So far in 2021 in Cuyahoga County, there have been 1,189 reversals of an overdose death due to naloxone, but a surge has them worried.
We continue to warn people and warn our clients when the surges come out.
And it's worrisome for Lawley too, who says as long as substances like fentanyl are in our communities, there will continue to be deaths.
We could talk about legislation and changes and holding people accountable, and that does prevent to some degree, but raising awareness and making sure people understand that this is not about drug users.
In addition to free naloxone and fentanyl testing kits, Project Dawn officials also encourage people to never use alone. Now, we will update you as soon as we hear back from Cuyahoga County's Medical Examiner's office regarding the forensic test results in this most recent surge. Reporting in Cleveland, Jesse Schultz, News 5.
To be clear, those overdose deaths were Saturday and Sunday. Now, there are resources out there for people struggling with addiction. You can find them by going to Jesse's story on the News 5 app, and there's help for families as well. Tomorrow, the state is holding training for the people whose loved ones are navigating addiction. It's free, it's an 8-hour course, it's virtual, it's open to all adults who want to learn more about addiction. Ohio's governor and addiction experts, they'll be taking part. We will post the link to register with Jesse's story as well.